Welcome back to Auto Show, your destination for the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda Goldwing DGT, a premium touring motorcycle that continues to redefine luxury and performance on two wheels. Honda has taken an already iconic platform and pushed it further into the future with smart technology, improved ride dynamics, and uncompromising comfort. Refined power and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Goldwing DGT is Honda's legendary 1833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine, delivering silky smooth performance with a refined power band. Honda has fine-tuned the engine mapping and throttle response, providing better torque distribution across the RPM range. Paired with the updated 7-speed dual-clutch transmission (DCT), the Goldwing DGT offers seamless gear shifts, whether you're cruising the highway or navigating city streets. Riders can expect a quiet yet powerful acceleration experience, making long-distance touring more exhilarating than ever. Redesigned for modern touring. Honda hasn't just focused on performance. The 2025 DGT variant introduces subtle but impactful changes to its bodywork. Aerodynamics have been enhanced, reducing wind buffeting and improving stability at higher speeds. The windshield now offers more personalized adjustability, and the new seat design improves ergonomics for both rider and passenger. The overall shape retains the signature Goldwing style while incorporating sharper lines and premium finishes that reflect its top-tier status. Next-level technology. What truly sets the 2025 Goldwing DGT apart is its digital transformation. The DGT model features a completely reworked 12.3-inch full-color TFT display, offering navigation, vehicle diagnostics, media controls, and smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A voice command system allows riders to operate functions hands-free, enhancing safety and convenience. Additionally, the Goldwing DGT includes wireless phone charging and over-the-air software updates to keep the system future-ready. Advanced safety and handling. Honda continues its focus on rider confidence with an upgraded suite of safety features. The 2025 DGT comes equipped with Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC), advanced ABS, and a new adaptive cruise control system with radar-assisted sensors, a first in the Goldwing lineup. The motorcycle now reacts more intuitively to traffic changes, offering both comfort and control on long rides. Suspension has been improved as well, with electronically adjustable settings that adapt to different riding modes and terrain. Luxury without compromise. Touring is all about comfort, and the Goldwing DGT takes that seriously. The upgraded seats offer multi-level heating and ventilation, while the spacious panniers and top box now feature powered lids and improved waterproofing. Audio quality has been enhanced with a new surround sound speaker setup, delivering crisp, high-fidelity sound even at highway speeds. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, the DGT offers a first-class experience across the board. Pricing and final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Goldwing DGT starts at a premium price point, but for serious touring enthusiasts, it's worth every penny. Honda has managed to evolve a motorcycle already known for excellence into something smarter, more comfortable, and more capable. From its cutting-edge digital cockpit to its smooth, powerful ride, the DGT is not just a touring bike, it's a glimpse into the future of motorcycling. Stay tuned to Auto Show for more in-depth reviews, ride tests, and first looks at the latest vehicles that move the world. Don't forget to subscribe for more automotive content coming your way. Let me know if you'd like a version with timestamps or formatted for teleprompter use.